Hi everyone, I am Shahadat Hussain from SKTV. Today I will discuss with you about this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a photo background blur like a DSLR camera. So let's start the tutorial. So at first we need to create a new layer. We create layer 1, then select and mask. Now mask it. This is the very easy way to mask a picture. So I am masking the picture as I need. Yeah, okay. Then select this option and increase the radius. Then we can get back the hair perfectly. You can see the hair is back. And when we will complete it, you can see like a real picture. After that, select this option and layer with new layer mask. Okay. So now you can see here is a new layer created. So now select the layer 1 and select the lasso tool, and I am selecting the picture as I need. Okay, complete. Then fill it. Okay, fill content error. Okay, now you can see picture will be varied. Then in this layer I'm going to apply lens blur. Now you can see the difference. So guys, this is part 1. For see part 2, stay with me and like, share and subscribe please. And if you like it and want to share with your friend, you can easily share it. And after full episode, I will give this tutorial PSD file fully free. So stay with me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.